I'm going to talk about something before I do the psychic reading. I'm going to talk about changing your reality. Okay? A lot of times when we are little children, we're implanted with certain thoughts, certain beliefs about, let's say, money. That, money is difficult to earn, or success comes to those who work hard, or hard work yields to success. So we have these certain fixed or these stuck points of view that we've been told. For example, people who work hard are successful, or you've been told that मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. तो अगर आपने मेहनत नहीं किया और आपने स्मार्ट वर्क किया तो उसका फल कड़वा होता है. So I don't know, like I had certain implants that I functioned from, and a lot of times it is you need to do this, and then you will be a good person or you will be successful. So there are definitions of success. There are definitions of what we should do and what we shouldn't do in life. And there are certain things that were implanted into us about what will make a wealthy person or a successful person. Okay? And if that's the case, then my maids and my cook Savitri should be, very, very, very wealthy, and she's not. So a lot of times there are certain people who work very, very, very hard, gadha mazduri karte hain, and they don't get what they really deserve. So a lot of times these points of view are limiting beliefs. So everything that you think, everything that you feel, everything that is implanted into you from childhood and sometimes from another lifetime can create your reality. And I teach a class called bars, which is called access bars, which is essentially rewiring your brain, and you'll be fried into chips at the end of the class. So I'm having this class on Saturday and Sunday, this Saturday and Sunday. So join that class to change your reality. If you want a complete 360-degree turn, because frankly, it did that for me, guys. It really did that for me. And you will wipe out everything that you have in your brain, and then you end up creating from a space of possibility and not a space of, it's like saying, if you have puddles of gobar in your head and you're trying to make, I don't know, gulab jamun, so that puddles of gobar is going to, I don't know, influence the gulab jamun that you're going to make. I wouldn't trust that gulab jamun. So we sometimes try to create our reality based on our fixed points of view that we already have about reality. We create our future from our past experiences. So we're bringing all that gobar from the past, and then we try to create something afresh, but we already have that gobar sitting in our head, So I'm here to fry your brains, and I'm a bulldozer who does that. And one of my facilitators told me that I'm a bulldozer, and the class is really an intense class, and all of the people here who are commenting, from Tanya to Sameer to Pranjal, all of them have done this class. Okay, all of them have done it. They've all done the class. That's why they're like, woo, and they're all going to re-attend. So attend this class if you really want to change what is not working in your life. If there's something in your life that's not working, attend this class. It is a game changer. Okay, I promise you that. Okay, so that's the Access Bars class. You can join the link. You can join the 5D healing group. The links will be posted there for the Access Bars class. We already have 28 people who are joining for the class, and I'm still taking registrations. The only thing is that you need to have a partner with you when you join the class. You need to have a buddy with you who's also registering for the class. Otherwise, at least you need to have like a kid. Kids till the age of 16 can attend for free. Okay, so if you have a kid who's 15, quickly do the class and make your kid also do the class. It's awesome. Okay, and what is one of the benefits in the class is you come out of the places that you're stuck. People who are depressed come out of depression. People who were suicidal are not suicidal anymore. People who felt low, people who were on sleeping pills, people who felt sad, people who were grieving, people who felt stress. Like for many, many years, I did not use the word stress because I got my bars run every day. Okay.